Hi, everyone. Welcome to today's video. We are going to learn about the life of Donald Trump. This is a simple and easy biography, perfect for practicing your English listening skills. Let's begin and learn something new together. This video will cover his family, education, business career, political leadership, and presidency in simple words. Let's get started. A. Early life and family. Donald John Trump was born on June 14, 1946, in Queens, New York City. He was the fourth of 5 children in a wealthy family. His father, Fred Trump, was a successful real estate developer who taught Donald the basics of business. His mother, Mary Trump, came from Scotland and brought a strong sense of family values. Growing up, Donald was known for being energetic and confident, but also a little troublesome. To teach him discipline, his parents sent him to the New York Military Academy when he was just 13. This experience shaped him into a determined and competitive individual. 2. Education. After finishing military school, Trump attended Fordham University but later transferred to the University of Pennsylvania. There, he studied economics at the prestigious Wharton School and graduated in 1968. Trump always had big dreams and wanted to take over his father's real estate business. 3. Business career. Donald Trump officially joined his father's company, focusing on building and managing apartment buildings. But he had bigger ambitions. He wanted to create luxury skyscrapers in Manhattan. In 1983, he built the iconic Trump Tower in New York City. This shiny skyscraper became a symbol of his success. Over the years, he expanded his business into hotels, casinos, and golf courses worldwide. However, his business journey wasn't always smooth. Several of his companies went bankrupt, but Trump used these setbacks to restructure and rebuild. By the 2000s, Trump had also become a brand. His name appeared on everything from clothing to cologne. People saw him as a symbol of wealth and power. 4. Media fame. In 2004, Trump became a TV star with the show The Apprentice. The show portrayed him as a tough businessman looking for the next great entrepreneur. His catchphrase, "You're fired," became world famous. This media fame turned Trump into a household name and boosted his confidence to enter politics. 5. Political leadership. In 2015, Donald Trump shocked the world by announcing he would run for president. Many people doubted him, but Trump's bold promises and slogan "Make America Great Again" won him millions of supporters. In 2016, Trump defeated Hillary Clinton to become the 45th President of the United States. He was the first U.S. president with no prior political or military experience. 6. Presidency. Donald Trump's presidency, 2017 to 2021, was both historic and controversial. 1. He introduced tax cuts and reduced government regulations to boost the economy. 2. He focused on building a wall along the U.S.-Mexico border to stop illegal immigration. 3. He made bold foreign policy decisions, like meeting with North Korea's leader and withdrawing from global agreements like the Paris Climate Accord. However, his presidency faced challenges. He was impeached twice, once for abuse of power and once for the Capitol riot in 2021, but was acquitted both times. Despite the controversies, Trump's supporters praised him for putting America first. 7. Life after the presidency. After leaving office in 2021, Trump stayed active in politics. He launched his own social media platform and announced his run for president again. In 2024, he made history by becoming the first U.S. president to win 2 non-consecutive terms since Grover Cleveland. Conclusion. Donald Trump's life is truly extraordinary, a story of ambition, resilience, and historic achievements. As he steps into the presidency once again, there is hope that he will work towards uniting the nation, boosting the economy, and strengthening America's position on the global stage. Many expect him to focus on creating more jobs, improving border security, and fostering innovation. We wish him success in achieving these goals and hope his leadership brings positive changes for the American people. Let's see what the future holds under his second term. Wait. Now. You have to told me about your perception about Donald Trump. What do you think about Donald Trump's story? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories.